Valutrades. Welcome back, traders. We have said 1,000,000 times, the trend is your friend, and it's always a good thing for traders to be able to monitor the strength of uptrends, downtrends, and to know when we might be entering a ranging market. For this, we use the Average Directional Index, or ADX. Let's jump right in, and on your MT4 platform indicators under Trend, you will find the Average Directional Movement Index. You will note that this indicator looks back over 14 periods. The default settings on MT4 are often difficult to read, so let's set a darker color for our ADX line, and we will use green for our Positive Directional Indicator, and set a thicker line, and we will use red for our Negative Directional Indicator. So, we can see an uptrend, a downtrend, and a sideways or ranging market. The maximum range for any ADX is 0 to 100, but not every instrument uses this full range. In this case, we can see the range is from 0 to 67, so 33 would roughly be our midpoint. What is important to note is that the ADX line will tell us if we are in a strong trend, in this case being higher than 33, but it will not tell us if we are in an uptrend or a downtrend. We can see that in this section, the ADX line is consistently lower than 33 and often at 16, which is indicating a ranging market, and price action is confirming this. Note as well that in an uptrend, the plus DI is consistently above the negative DI, and on the contrary, in a downtrend, the plus DI is consistently below the negative DI. The ADX line reflects the difference between the positive DI and the negative DI, and in the less volatile market, all three lines run close together. If we scroll back in time, we can see that the range changes, so you will need to understand the maximum points for each instrument you trade. ADX works on any time frame, and here we have a situation on the $CAD 30-minute chart where, when price action broke resistance, the positive DI rose above the negative DI, and the ADX line rose to confirm a strong trend. When the ADX line hit its typical maximum of 79, price action reached a key level, and all three lines changed direction. This gave us an opportunity to close the trade as the uptrend had come to an end. We can confirm this by using another indicator like the stochastic oscillator, where we also had a bullish indication during the uptrend and a strong signal that the uptrend had come to an end. That's all for now. Happy trading with Valutrades, and we will see you soon. CFDs and FX are leveraged products, and your capital may be at risk.